Hello, beautiful people. Welcome again to my channel. Yeah. So today I would like to encourage you or tell you something very important. So if you're looking forward to be successful in life, to be great in life, and you're relying just on your 9 to 5 job, I mean, you're not ready for success. Yes, I am not trying to say that there are no successful people doing 9 to 5 job. Or yeah, if you have a great job, if you have a good job, yeah, you can succeed and all of that. But let me tell you, if you want to be extremely successful, you want to be extremely rich, you need to look for an additional business or something that has to be a kind of like business related to art. I know that it's not everybody that is business oriented and all of that. But see, if you're doing a job that is not paying your bills, that is not catering for your bills, it is time for you to sit down and have a rethink on how to change or add another, you know, great source of income to yourself. The economy is not smiling, things keep getting harder every day. You cannot afford to remain in a sport and you're receiving. Do you know that there are some people I know their salaries not even up to 50K in this Nigeria, and they need to survive. Bills are not smiling. Bills will not say that okay, because your salary is not up to this amount, then we are gonna be on hold. No, bills keep coming. Things keep piling up. Family keep bringing their problems. You have your problems. You have yourself to take care of. And the worst is there's something I used to even ask myself: how do people who have family, wife, children survive with this little amount of money? How? Imagine a man who has family or have wife and children of about, let's say, 4 children, and you're paying this person 50,000 or 60,000. How does this person succeed? How does this person, tend to survive in a whole month? It's only God that is sustaining these people because, I mean, if you calculate the bills and what they eat every day, transport is there, everything is there. Reasons why you need to sit down and buckle up. If you sit down and see that your current job is not really paying, please look for additional income to add. I'm not saying that you immediately quit your jobs and all of that. No, that's not what I'm saying. But please add an additional income to whatever you are doing, because I don't see how, where someone is collecting 50K and you are aiming high to be rich and all of that. Where is the riches going to come from? Is it from your 50,000 naira salary and all of that? So what am I trying to say? Please, if you notice that what you earn is not that much, look for an additional stream of income to add to whatever you do, to sustain you and to create and build wealth. Also, look for something that is long-term wealth building. No, because I've seen people that they just want something that they can eat like right now they just eat and they're satisfied. That is all. You can't build your life and just based on what you feed on, just what you eat, and then you're contented. No. Okay, if what you are doing is not really paying well, it's not, paying your bills and even, going to, make you wealthy or have a better future, please, you need to sit down and rethink again. If you need to change your streams of income or add additional streams of what income to help you grow, to help you grow, because bills are not smiling. Bills are not smiling.